Hecto lived in a puddle in a cozy garden. During the day, Hecto was a liquid. He was energetic and loved to play slip and slide with his billions of friends. They tumbled over each other, splashed around, and took the shape of whatever they touched. The arrival of the cold. One winter night, the sun went down and the temperature dropped to 0 degrees Celsius, or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. In the science world, we call this the freezing point. As it got colder, Hecto started to lose his energy. He didn't feel like sliding or splashing anymore. He and his friends started to slow down, moving from a fast run to a slow walk, and finally to a tiny, shivering huddle. The golden grip, hydrogen bonding. Usually, when things get cold, they huddle as close together as possible, but water is special. Hecto had a special trick. As he slowed down, his little hydrogen ears reached out and grabbed the oxygen heads of his neighbors. But instead of pulling them close for a hug, he held them at arm's length to form a perfect, airy hexagon. Building the Crystal Castle. Because Hecto and his friends held each other at a specific distance, they formed a beautiful, rigid structure called a crystal lattice. No more sliding. Hecto was now locked in place. He could still vibrate, or shiver, but he couldn't move past his neighbors. Expansion. Because they held each other at arm's length, they actually took up more space than they did when they were liquid. Floating. This is why ice cubes float in your juice. Moral. Sometimes slowing down and holding the right connections rather than squeezing too tight creates strength, stability, and even unexpected advantages. Being different isn't a weakness, it can be what helps you rise.
Please like, share, and subscribe.